Another police station attack. Oh, this one they happen live for Akwa Ibom. Bia, where all my Calabar members they hey, I don't bring una matter. According to the Nation report, they said 2 police officers they were killed by unknown gunmen after they attacked the police station. Therefore, what did they call it? Bia, forgive me, no be my this thing. Who came a team Aproko local government. I mean, if you know that side, na dey happen. And they say no be that one just happen. No, they even light up fire. The police station, the police people cast. In fact, terremoto. Biko, put the video, let them watch. Unknown gunmen. Abeg, when are we going to know these unknown gunmen? Every day unknown gunmen. Abeg, see, I don't tire for these people. When be say if something happen, I no fit just identify, say, okay, oh, it's Mr. Daniel or it's Mr. Joshua that did it. Every time una must bring unknown. Unknown must follow for all these things. Abilai Mohammed come outside, tell us, say, they know them. He tell us, saying the federal government know all these people and they know where they are. So I don't understand. Abi no be unknown government they talk about. Make una forgive me because I don't understand. For my mind, all these people they be the same people. Just that see, they don't differentiate bandits, Boko Haram, terrorists. If you ask me, they are all the same. Forget all this title where they just give them. Wait to now where even they think this thing. Una don't think this thing this direction before. Make it no come be say these people plan to reduce security for the entire southeast and then south. Hey! No, if just imagine what will happen if they succeed. Meaning say they find way to attack. So that those people no go can't get protection. Wisdom no go kill me. Wisdom. So I bet police people. My worry now, I be waiting I even want call am. Be say police people no fit defend themselves. I be una no dey understand. Police no fit defend themselves again. If na bus driver or peaceful or innocent protesters, una God go sabi work. Una go sabi shoot. Now, unknown gunmen call una side. They even kill 2 of una men. So how come una God no dey work for this kind of time? Anyways, una don't meet una meter. Yes, so maybe I don't be like that. Oh, I know they happy for wetin happen and at the same time I'm not sad. Argue it with your pillow. Yes. How many of una don't see? Get one incident where I no fit forget for my life. Yeah, and they get one particular statement where police people sabi use every time. You don't ever dey in a situation where you know say na only police will help you, and yet they go dey speak grammar. Ngwanu, as I hear this matter, me to prepare my grammar for them. I wish I wear glasses, but no problem. Listen, but this one is for the police people. If you know they wear uniform, this one no concern you. From 101 TV, look at sit down here. We sympathize with the police for the laws, and we urge all of you to remain calm and don't take law into your hands while you go about your normal daily activities. We are on this situation, and we assure you all that we will bring the perpetrators to book. No, how na feel now? How do you feel, police people? Person go dey in one serious condition or situation. Now this thing they go dey speak. We are looking into the matter. We promise to bring them to what? Oh yeah, we too. We promise. Nonsense. Now so una go come outside. From now on, we'll be having security cameras in all the streets. After that one, wait till we hear. From now on, our men will be carrying body cams. Where the body cams? For security purpose, according to them. Where the body cams? Where? Because assuming these people, they wear the body cam, at least they supposed show us footage of what they happen. At least we forget pictures of the unknown gunmen. Nonsense upon nonsense. Now una go dey bring something. Now una still no go do am. No, una no remember. I wish say time dey. I for even put that video make una see say they talk am. So abeg, bring una body cams to action. CCTV wey una say una go put for all the streets, we never see. They deceive una selves there big time. My people, una don see am and una don hear am. Wetin you guys to talk concerning this, so abeg, make the comments start dey roll ASAP. Abi ASAP, anyhow. Start dey drop am for that side though, and make sure say you share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share live for Akwa Ibom State. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Unknown gunmen don attack police station again. Oh, this one na Obosi police station. Yeah. And as soon as they hear me like this, 2 police officers don die. And the worst part, okay, I don't know if which one even was. Okay, the 2 police officers will die, na it was. But another worst part, my people, they open all the prison. Open gate, they go open gate. Oh, all the prisoners don vamoose. In fact, they open all the prisoners escape as me and you they talk. I bring and come so that I go see how the whole place be. They even burn police car. They burn. Because I put the video, make they watch.
Yo, bombo gato, where back? Hey, Jesus. This police yana burned to ashes.
And una go they ask me, Ghana people have sent us back. Ghana with this kind of thing. No, where they want run to? Unknown gunmen, unknown gunmen, unknown gunmen again. I also not be the prison where Baba Ijesha dey o. Make I know yes say that man run. Very hard. I know the joke. I bet look my face very well. Unknown gunmen, back to you. I bet when they go identify this unknown gunmen, now my question now. When? Unknown. Anything will happen, they don't tag an unknown. Anything will happen, they don't tag an unknown. This thing they get out of hand. You don't they get out of hand, my people. Even police people, they know upon the IGP, police, all of them are joined together. Now nothing investigate who be unknown gunman. But when they rush, go investigate, get away, no get leg. How she lie, how she cook the story, how she do. That one go sabi do fast. Now nothing bring us the people who commit this thing. Very soon, the one way go happen now. Una think say na joke. Continue. Now till you see say police checkpoints no exist again. Bandits go take over all the roads, all the streets. Now that time una go wake up. I be una think say na joke. All this season na the year no be joke. Na real matter be this. Please bring us the unknown gunmen's details. We need to know who they are. We need to know their age. We need to know how they look, pictures. We need to, if it's possible, say bring their family members. Imagine the kind of situation where police themselves now, they not even they safe. No, just imagine in a country, police is not safe. What will think will happen to the citizens? Heta. Now not like that we go just they run every day. Heta sketa. I beg, they bring this one now because of the questions where people don't ask me. Everybody now they ask me where Buhari dey, all these things they happen where Buhari dey. I don't understand. Why not they ask me where Buhari dey? This same question when they ask me, I beg. My question to you people back, they say, person wey no dey house, how that person go pick call? Now my answer be that. Now who no go know, who wise go wise. Person no dey house, your landline ring, how you want pick? I hope say I don't answer una. So my people, now the matter be this. Una don't hear her, una don't watch up. And make I no forget, una go soon get new presenter for this platform. And yes, she is from the southeast states. Guess who she be? If you know anyone, if you think of anyone, drop her for that comment section. And why not still drop this matter for that side? I want to know your opinion concerning this matter will happen. And yes, help me share this video. Make everybody know what till they share for this place and for our dear beloved country, Nigeria. And don't forget to click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.